Hey, hello data professionals. I built a scatter plot chart with a race chart kind of effect. So it's simple. So let's see how I build this chart using a scatter plot in Power BI. So first thing, let's drag visualization and then drag rank field, movie rating in details, year of release to play axis so that we can see the years. Next is rank to the y-axis. This will give you rank 1 to 250 because the data of the movie is having rank 1 to 250, and also drag x-axis the movie rating field. After dragging all these fields, I don't want to show all the years, so I am dragging year bucket in filters and only the years greater than 2000 I have filtered here. So the data starts from 2000 and ends it to 2020. Now I am changing the shape to a square instead of the regular dot, and bit of formatting here so that the boxes looks even. You can see most of the things is already done here. Next thing I will do is to name those boxes so that we can see the movies. And now from year 2000 to 2020, which movies rank, all are displayed here. Do let me know guys if you have seen this kind of chart or try to build a race chart kind of thing in scatterplot. Yep. Thank you.